Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share how much I made in the month of March 2021. If you guys don't know what I do, I trade the stock market. I usually trade options. I do not trade equities. And in today's video, I'm just going to share how much I made in the month of March so that you guys can understand and also celebrate with me. So, how much did I make in the month of March? Even though I did not close all my position yet, I made a total profit of $202.47, and that came up to about 7.60%. And in the month of March, I withdrew a total of $98.85. You can see all my trades here. The trades that I closed were 10 trades, and I still have 30 trades opened. And you can see all the products that I traded. I traded SPCE, PLTR, CLDR, and AMC. And you can see all the profit I made and the losses as well. So let's look at the metrics. How did I do? So in this month, after the end of March, I am up 40.90%, and my inflation adjusted rate of return is 38.90%. If you guys don't know what inflation adjusted rate of return is, it is just simply taking the actual net return and subtracting the inflation rate. So I usually assume that the inflation rate is 2%. So if I made 40.90%, I would subtract 2% from 40.90%, and that would be a 38.90% inflation adjusted rate of return. My average rate of return is just 8.66%, and that is just taking this return and dividing it by the 4 months that we are now in. And my alpha is 32.15%, and the alpha is just calculated by taking what SPY is doing and subtracting it from my return. You can see here my standard deviation, monthly standard deviation of returns is 6.46%, and my Sharpe ratio is 6.02. I'm not really sure if this Sharpe ratio is calculated properly, but I've tried all my best to make sure that the numbers are calculated and updated on a monthly basis. So I think that the Sharpe ratio is correct, but it is just too high for what I'm doing. And my win rate is 92.86%. Again, 92.82% is really high. But you know, when you sell options, you can expect a high win rate ratio. But another thing you should think about is when selling options, you might make smaller profits, but when you lose money, you would lose a lot of money. So when selling options, you have to make sure that you make enough profit so that when you lose money, you do not lose all your profit, but some of your profit. The total number of trades are 28 trades. So for the first 3 months, I've only placed up to like 28 total trades. My net profit factor is 43.322, and again, this is just too high. But so far I have not incurred any loss. My maximum loss is just let's see, 19.31. So that is why my net profit is so huge. The way I calculate my net profit is just taking my total net profit and dividing it by my total net loss. So I can show you guys the calculation right here. You can see my net profit, and then I divide it by my net losses. And my profits per trade is $29.66. This is not too high. I was thinking I could get up to like $30 profit per trade, but $29 is not that bad. Hopefully in future I can get a higher profit per trade, because when you get a higher profit per trade, you would be preparing yourself in a situation that you lose money, and you can weather the losses instead of losing all your portfolio. So far the SPY is doing 8.75%, and I am beating the SPY so far, and hopefully I can continue that in future. You can see my account's growth. It is really going up. Hopefully it keeps going up and not come down. I just want my growth to go up. This month I have not deposited any amount of money. The only cash flows that I have done is withdrawing my money, but I have not deposited any money. And I can show you guys right here. You can see I have not deposited any money. This money was just from a dividend or credit, and you can see I have only withdrew all the profit instead of depositing more money. So you can just say that all this accounts growth is just from my investment. And my monthly profit, you can see my first month I made $346. In my second month I made $270, and in March I made $202. Hopefully I can average about $200 per month, but if I can just make $150 per month, that would be a great investment and a great profit in a month. You can see my profit based on the strategy I did, and most of my profits came from the short put strategy, but I have also made money from the short call strategy, the diagonal spread, and the short call spread as well. And the number of trades placed based on the strategy, like I said before, most of my profit are from the short put strategy, so most of my trades would be the short put. And the second thing I've done is the short call. I've also placed the diagonal spread and strangle, straddle, and the short call spread. Now that you guys have seen how much I made in the month of March and my metrics, I want to take you guys into my account to show you guys that I am not lying and I'm a real trader. You know, like most people usually say I made this amount of money in a month, but they do not actually show you their profit or loss in the brokerage account. So I am going to take you guys into my brokerage account and show you guys how much I made and all the trades that I placed. So let me go back again to the spreadsheet and just show you guys the trades that I placed. Short call, short call, short call spread, long, short put. You can see all the trades. Then when I open my brokerage account, you guys would see the same thing. Okay, as you can see, this is my brokerage account. Today I am down $50, and so far I am down $115. Usually I'm always down, but at the end of the day, all these trades would come out and turn into a profit. So I have a short put on AMC. I have some short put and some long shares on CLDR. Then I have a call debit spread on CODX and a short put on TLRY. So let me show you guys that I placed all the trades that I talked about, and I actually made the profit. So let's go back 30 days, and you can see all the trades that I placed: CLDR, CLDR, CCL, CODX, AMC. You can see that I placed all those trades and I actually made profit. Alright guys, this would be the end of the video. I hope you guys got inspired to start trading options, or just to get inspired to learn more about options. If you have any questions, please use the comment section and ask any question you would like to ask, and I would be glad to help you with an answer. If this video was inspiring, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel below. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day.